Hi, welcome to FlipCo Financial. My name is Sydney and I'm your account manager. Today I'm going to give you an overview on how our fix and flip loan works, as well as give you the tools you need to get started on getting your deals funded. FlipCo Financial is for investors by investors. You heard that right, I'm investing too. You can follow me on Instagram at Building Real Estate Empires to watch me flip and get tips and tricks on how to grow your own real estate empire. You can also check out my website, flipco.info/SydneyFlips, to learn more about FlipCo, see our loan terms, get pre-approved, schedule a call, view guides and resources, join my Facebook group, Building Real Estate Empires or Building Black Empires, and you can upload documents here as well. You can also check out a link for current clients that'll help you with your loan servicing. All right, let's get deals funded. We are an asset-based lender. That means we like to focus primarily on the investment opportunity. We don't require appraisals, inspections, or surveys. In fact, the only time we need a survey is when you're adding square footage onto the property. If you're converting a garage or a basement into a bedroom, we do not need a survey. If you're adding square footage or changing the external blueprints of the property, then we do need a survey. At no point do we check your personal credit or your business credit. And we also don't require that you have any experience. We love working with new investors and we love working with seasoned investors, helping you guys scale your real estate businesses. All right, let's talk about how we evaluate deals. We look at something called loan to ARV. I've included a calculation here on how we find this number. You'll take the total loan amount, which is the purchase price plus the rehab minus your down payment. And you just divide that by the after repair value, and that tells you what the loan to ARV is. FlipCo lends on 75% loan to future value. And don't get too caught up on trying to figure this out. Whenever you submit a quote request, we'll tell you what the loan to ARV is based on your numbers. So let's talk about how much we fund. This is also known as LTC, loan to cost. FlipCo will fund 90% of the purchase price when the loan to ARV is 75% or less. If your loan to ARV is anything higher than 75%, then we'll adjust your down payment. Keep in mind that when working with FlipCo, we're investing in these deals with you, and we want to make sure that you're successful. We finance 100% of your rehab. The way we do this is through rehab reimbursements. We have no draw fees, and you have unlimited amount of draw requests. We also don't send inspectors out to your home. In fact, you're the inspector here. You'll submit photos of the completed work along with receipts and paid invoices from your contractors, and we'll have the funds in your account within 3 business days. Qualifying for a loan with FlipCo is simple. We look to see that you have something called minimum reserves. Consider it your credit check. Since we're an asset-based, non-recourse lender that doesn't pull credit or ask for W-2 information, we look to see that you have a certain amount of liquidity in your bank account, and that lets us know that you can responsibly carry out a loan with us. The way we calculate minimum reserves is by 25% of your rehab budget. If you're self-funding your rehab budget, then this is going to be 100% that we look to see in your minimum reserves. Then we add 6 months of interest payments, your down payment, which is a 10% minimum, and then our origination fee. As long as we can see that you have access to this in one or more of your accounts, then you qualify for a loan with FlipCo. Now you're more than welcome to JV with someone, which is called joint venture, and you're also able to use a gap lender. If you're using a gap lender, then they need to deposit the funds into your account prior to closing. If you're doing a JV and they're on the loan with you, then they can just provide their proof of funds showing that you meet the minimum reserves for the deal. We do not require that your funds are seasoned. Also, if you have more than one deal, bring it on. We just look to see that you have the minimum reserves required for each deal that you're wanting to get funding for. All right, now that you're ready to go shopping for deals, let's talk about pre-approval letters. Whenever you're ready for a pre-approval letter, you'll go to flipco.info/SydneyFlips. Then you'll click on this button that says Get a Quote. Whenever you receive your quote, it's also going to let you know what the minimum reserves are for that deal. Once you provide a screenshot of your account balance or your most recent bank statement showing that you have the minimum reserves, then we can send you a pre-approval letter. Our pre-approval letters are property specific, so you'll need to fill out a quote request anytime you're wanting a pre-approval letter. All right, are you ready to apply? FlipCo is a minimal dot collection firm. That means we're not asking for an arm and a leg to underwrite your deals and get them funded. When you go to submit your borrower application, be sure to select Sydney as your account manager. That way I'm notified whenever you're submitting your documents. You'll see the rest of the things that we require for our application right here. And if you guys have any questions, then don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you. All right, if I've accomplished anything today, I hope it's that you know hard money does not have to be hard. We hate junk fees, so we eliminated them. I'll give you a quick recap. We have approval times of 24 hours and we can fund in 48 hours. We do have an origination fee and we do have an interest rate. You're only being charged interest on funds used. We have no processing fee, no draw fee, no valuation fee. We do not require appraisals. We have no admin fee, no inspection fee, and we have no loan minimum. We also don't check your credit, and we are a non-recourse lender. We make flipping houses a reality by putting clients first through transparency, partnerships, and innovation, leading the hard money industry. We have fast closing, no junk fees, minimal dot collection, and we love taking care of our clients. Here's my contact information. Please reach out. I'd love to hear about your real estate goals and help you in any way that I can. I'm looking forward to getting some deals funded for you.